Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. This is Creativity and Inspiration, and I'm Lisa. Today's an extra video, and I'm super excited because have you heard of Depop? Depop is where you can go and find great vintage clothes, used clothing at really cool prices, cool things. But I found something new on Depop, home decor. And I have a mystery box home decor. It's heavy. I paid $40, and then I got an email and the person said, hey, what do you like? You know, give me some idea. But if not, I can do it without the ideas. So I told them a few things that I liked. I said I love all natural. I love planters, candle holders. I like vintage. But I'm also open. Surprise me. And this is the box I got. And like I said, I paid $40 for a mystery box of home decor from Depop. And it's heavy. So let's just open it and see what I got. I haven't opened it at all. And I'm super excited. Okay. That took a little longer than expected. But it's open now. And let's just see what we've got. Another piece of tape. Alright, so we have packed with newspaper, which is great. No styrofoam whatsoever. And if you're a crafter, you know you can use this to decoupage. You can use it for art. If you're an artist, use different things. So this is all good. And way better than styrofoam and plastic. I'm super excited to see this quality of packing. Okay. So here is the first thing. I'm so excited. Ooh. Ooh, it's a candle holder. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. It's a candle holder. It has a dragonfly on it. Look at the patina on that. That is gorgeous. I love that. All right. Yay, first item is definitely a win. Okay, this one is a square. It's very heavy. Oh, cool. Oh, check this out. This is like concrete. A concrete candle holder. How cool is that? Wow, so far it's really been worth $40. Let's see here. What is this? Again, love all the newspaper packing. So exciting. It's like Christmas. That's why I got a mystery box. Mystery boxes are so fun. Look. Okay. If y'all know me, if you're family and you're watching this, you know who loves this. My mom. She loves roosters. She loves chickens. And this I might have to give to her because it is screaming my mom. I love that. She will love that. I'm excited. Okay, perfect, because I always pick things up for my mom when I'm out. So this is awesome. Oh, I love this. I love this. This is a cute little picture. Look at that. Cute. Cute, cute. It's got the flowers. It's a good piece. It's a good piece of pottery. Cool. So far, this is great. And I will say, I got this not only to use as decor right out of the box, but to do a little flipping with. So I'm excited. These are great pieces. These are really great pieces. Oh no. We had one get broken. Uh-oh. A beautiful vase got broken. Flower pot. It's in pieces. It's a bummer that our clay pot is broken, but what I'm going to do is put all the pieces in a bag and use it in art. So if you want to see how the broken flower pot turns out, you'll head over to my art channel, which is linked down below. Hey guys, inside the broken vase was another surprise. Probably why the vase broke, honestly. But that's okay. Look, I'm so excited. It's another concrete candle holder to go with our... These are amazing and will definitely be used in my new decor. That is exciting. But so far, I am super happy with everything. If that had made it, it was perfect. What is this? Oh, cool. Okay. This is cool, too. This is... Oh, cool. Okay, well, see, this made it fine. And it's like glass. And it is a picture frame. So how cool. These are good products. Everything's heavy. I mean, this is really some good stuff. The plate, rooster plate, is not my aesthetic, but totally is going to my mom. Perfect. This is not my aesthetic, but I ordered the box to flip some things. Stay tuned to see how this turns out and how this little picture turns out, because I'm going to flip both of these. I love the two candles. Those are perfect. And those will definitely be in home decor as I'm redoing. So stay tuned. You will see the concrete candle holder and this one with the dragonfly. You will see that again. The box was way worth more than $40. So I would highly recommend. I'll put the link below to this person's Depop. Highly recommend checking it out and doing one of their home decor mystery boxes. Overall, I give this an A. It was great. And if the pot hadn't broken, it would have been an A+. Because I love everything. I'm going to flip some of it. I'm going to keep some of it. And I'm going to gift some of it. How perfect is that? Thanks for being here today, guys. If you like this unboxing, head over to Becoming Female, because I bought a self-care box on Depop for $15, and I'll be unboxing that over there. So head over there and check that out. Before you leave, though, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell. Stay tuned.